Renzo, look what Quintana got.
Is that on your wish list?
Yes. It was a good.
Remember last year when you got your gifts, you have to give a thank you to Santa by taking pictures of our family.
Thank you, Santa.
But we have to take pictures in the snow.
Huh?
Remember we have to take pictures in the snow? So later today we have to take pictures in the snow.
Lorenzo, look at what I found in the back of the Christmas tree. Whoa! But I already saw it when I was opening that. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Is this so awesome? The little who? And you're so excited, guys. Oh, you.
That's exciting!
Perhaps I need a little bit help, please.
What about some of your is there other presents that Santa?
Oh, yes, I forgot about this one. What?
And yours is the blue one. Yours is.
I forgot about this one.
You forgot about that one?
Yes. Oh, another Star Wars?
You got 2 Star Wars? You must have been very, very, very good this year.
Oh my god, what is it?
It's the ship. Look it! Remote.
What is it, Renzo?
Look right behind you. Whoa.
What's that? Let me see.
Whoa, I don't think you asked for that.
Let me see.
I think he knows you love everything Star Wars. What?
Let me see, Renzo.
What's you know that's Lego Star Wars?
It is.
Yes. Okay. But this is the best Christmas ever. I got 3 stuff and I think Prince got 3 stuff.
It's not. It's probably not about numbers, because some things like that has 717 pieces of Legos. Quintana.
That's a last one. Oh. One was in the back, and this one feels heavy.
Oh, look at, there's a little blue on it. Does that mean you have to share?
Yes. I think this is the book. This is all of the Lego figures.
I think that he must have been watching even when we were at Legoland. Yay.
That droid is really creepy. Look it.
He is a creepy droid.
But look at what this comes with.
What's a good one?
The
Yay.
Han Solo has a medal.
He does have a medal. What is that?
What
Oh,
is this?
do you need help, Renzo?
Now my favorite is Cars and Star Wars.
It is? How about what's that
What else
green
did you
one?
get?
Show your dad what that is. He doesn't know what that is.
Ooh, Joppy.
Who is it?
Look at what I got too.
Wow.
Joppy. Without any guy. There's a guy on it.
Who's the guy?
He was camouflage. 3. Smash. Look it.
Oh, he's a tree with green, and Renzo's looks like it's kind of blue with water.
Renzo's is the dark and to mine is a tree. Do you understand?
You can't get it open? Your dad's right there. You want to ask? Oh, you just have so many things to open.
Yes, and there's a big green mess here and blue mess.
A green and blue mess. Good thing your mom and dad don't get you presents
But this
since
is
Santa
not
got
the
you so
same
much.
one, Mama. Look, it's here and here and here.
That's cool.
But it's not. No, it's not cool.
It's not cool?
It's not the same like the star.
It's not the same as the star? Oh, it's not the same as the store. But remember, the store sold out. Hey, the store sold out, so the elves probably had to make some by themselves. And what did you tell the? What did you tell?
I think Santa got all of it.
You do?
Mama.
Oh, let's get some scissors.
No, but no, look it.
Oh, it's untwisty.
No, I will give you room this part.
Let me see.
Ba-bum, ba-bum.
Wow, what a cool book.
Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum.
Okay. Help you?
Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Whoa. He comes with it on deck.
Dangerous Doug.
A dog. What is a dog? Untied it, Mama.
Okay.
Untied it.
Okay.